Chapter 2, Part 3. Yes students, up to Part 2 I explained example 3 question number first. But now in Part 3, example 3 question number 2 running here. And students, this numerical form also 3 marks, as well as our first question, third one is also 3 marks. Question is same students, but RHS is different because the condition is different. And according to condition wise, this value I just suggest, suppose this value. Related you try the suppositions, cos inverse x is a y. So what is the cos y? Yes, it is x, where our range is y belongs to 0 to pi. That's my range of our cos inverse function. Students, range is known, 0 to pi, covering all as TC-wise your conditions, and that is utilized in this solution. So now I go to LHS. What is my LHS? Sin inverse 2x under root 1 minus x square. Yes, 2x under root 1 minus x square, and that value you put it. Sin inverse 2. What is the x? Yes, it is cos y under root 1 minus x is again cos square y. So sin inverse is 2 into cos y into it is sin square y. Yes, and now check in the first to fourth second quadrant. Sin y is what? Positive. That's why under root of sin square y, I just write down sin y in the range of our close bracket 0 to pi. Correct? Now students, it is sin inverse 2 cos y into sin y. You going that it is sin 2y, and here create our statement number 1. Yes students, here statement number 1. After that I move ahead to statement number 1 in the calculation of condition wise. So what is the condition? In given 1 by root 2 1. Students, this 1 by root 2 1 I just follow in till up to conditions create in 2y intervals from 0 to pi. So this x value students only suggestion value cos y right here. So 1 by root 2 cos y and 1. Now generally known students, cos function is a decreasing function in that interval 0 to pi. So here inequality change. If you operate cos function to each data 1 by 1, cos function if you attach, then it is decreasing function. That's why inequality change. Now tell me, when cos is 1 by root 2 students? Yes, it is 45 degree. Here y, and when cos is 1, 0. So inequality again rearrange 0 to pi by 4. Look at that, this y. I want into 2y. So here 2 multiply each term, 2 multiply each term. So 0 less than 2y less than pi by 2. And check, this range belong to real interval of sin inverse x? Yes, therefore from 1. What is your from 1? Sin inverse sin 2y. That's your value. Write down 2y. Because 2y is belong to range of 0 to pi by 2. And 0 to pi by 2 belong. And definitely it is minus 90 to 90 also belong. Look at that, this drawing. This your range minus 90 to 90. And here your 0 to 90. So indirectly 0 to 90 is present in this 90 to 90. That's why I write down here 2. Why? What is your y? Yes, it is cos inverse x. That's your RHS done. And here over x. Yes students, this numerical for 3 marks question. Continue, move ahead. After that, example 3, I go to example 4. In example 4, prove that tan inverse half plus tan inverse 2 by 11. Answer getting tan inverse 3/4. Yes students, this theorem also already I explained you. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. But you before that applying, you just write down x is half and y is 2 by 11. So, what you get x into y? Half into 2 by 11, which is 1 by 11. And sure, it is less than 1. So, you write down the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. But necessary xy less than 1. Then students, you apply that value. Now x and y value half and 2 by 11 respectively put inside. So LHS start. What is your LHS? Tan inverse half plus tan inverse 2 by 11. So formula is half plus 2 by 11. 1 minus half into 2 by 11. Students, generally here you taking the LCM. Not the cutting the values, taking LCM 2 into 11 22 and here also 22. So finally you touch up taking tan inverse 11 2 to the 4 by 22 upon here also 22 minus 2 by 22 11 2 are 22 into 1. So what you get? Tan inverse. Look at that. This 22 and 22 both ways are cancelled. That one. This 22. And this one is cutting. What is 11 plus 4? 15. Done here. 3 by 4 is coming. Answer. Only the cutting is remaining. The 11 plus 4 is 15. And here 22 minus 2. It is 20. Cutting down. So tan inverse 5 3s are. And here 4 5s are. That's my RHS. And very easily this numerical. Students, easily done. It's very simple. But our theorem already. And necessary you write down the theorem, compulsory in exam also, and you get it easily 2 marks. Continue. Example 5. Students, this sum is IFT for 3 marks question. Yes, 3 marks question. Expressed in the simplest form, tan inverse cos x by 1 minus sin x, where interval given minus 90 to 90. Yes students, in the questions outside are given tan inverse. So I am converting internal data also in the tan inverse form. That's right, tan inverse as it is. Students, here you try converting into internal value fully in the tan function. That's right. I here write down first sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2, which is 1, and this sin x I just write down 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2, and upper side our basic formula cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Now students, it is done because it is perfect square for denominator. The numerator have 2 factors, cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2, and secondly cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2, and downwards which is perfect square for cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 the whole square. One more time, dear students. Just here I am taking a square minus b square property, and that is the perfect square, because here one time gone, only one time remaining, cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Similarly, cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2, Now students wait. And one more time I repeat you. Anyhow, internal data convert into 10 because my outside function is 10. That's why I here divided to each term cos x by 2. Yes students. Mention here dividing by cos x by 2. Yes students, properly write divide cos x by 2. Upper and lower both sides, numerator and denominator sides. So after the dividing, you getting internal value surely in the tan function. So tan inverse in here 1 plus sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Similarly 1 minus sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Check. Here just a division applied to cos x by 2. So my property is done here. It is 1 plus tan x by 2. And here also 1 minus tan x by 2. Now the success for converting into 10 terms. Students again repeat. See the question here. Outside is 10. That's why internal I create in the terms of 10. Now known that it is 1 become 10 pi by 4, tan x by 2, 10 pi by 4 into tan x by 2. Finally, this is the formula for 11 sines. Trigonometric function tan 45 plus x by 2, and that's your ending here statement 1. You cannot write this answer directly in this remote before checking the condition. Students, I check the condition. This condition belonging in this range or not. So generally your condition given minus 90 to 90. Students, this x, but I want x by 2. So divided by 2 each term and pi by 4 adding. So each term 45, 45, these students added, 45 added. So what do you get? Here 0, but here 90. Yes, check out. 0 to 90 range belong the range of tan inverse? Yes, here 0 to 90. But what is the range of tan inverse? It is minus 90 to 90. Sure present in this range. That's why I create pi by 4 plus x by 2, where pi by 4 plus x by 2 belonging which range? Yes, that range 0 to 90, and that's my final answer. And this will make your students for 3 marks. Okay, very easy. Internal value converting into outsider tan function. That's why I multiply that, dividing cos and converting into fully tan. Yes. Now I go ahead. Example 5th over here, students. Now example 6. It's a big summer. Don't worry, I slowly going, and I hope easily understood also. Convert the value cot inverse 1 by x square minus 1, x greater than 1 in the simplest form. Yes students, that type questions before starting I give you one of the short technique. So you by heart this short technique for any trigonometric questions in the terms of under root x square minus 1 given, under root x square plus 1 given, either 1 minus x square given. That type questions most probable asking in the textbook exercise. So whenever you variable minus constant, you assume that x is equal to sec theta. Why? Sec square theta minus 1, tan square theta known you. Next, if you variable plus given, assume that tan theta. Why? 1 plus tan square, sec square identity, And variable minus constant, assume that sin theta, because 1 minus sin square cos square under root, easily remove. Students, here different value also available, cosec, here cot and here cos, but most probable to utilize this one. Okay, now look at that other question. Under root x square minus 1, it means first property. So I start the sum. Suppose x is equal to sec theta. So what is the theta? Sec inverse x, where range of theta belongs to 0 to pi minus pi by 2. That one. So what is the question? Cot inverse 1 upon under root, just applying in this way. Under root of sec square theta minus 1. Now look at that, students, you know 1 plus tan square is a sec square. So sec square minus 1 is a tan square. So cot inverse, it is tan square theta. Moving ahead, it is cot square theta to reciprocal. Now wait, what is the range of the interval 0 to pi? Means first, second, all STC wise your quadrant, I just declare this value is a positive basis. So cot inverse, okay students, I just mention this side. So this case I am further doing. Cot inverse under root cot square theta. So I just write down it is cot theta. Now check out. Theta is your belonging in or not range. Yes, it is belong. Modulus x less than 1 means minus 1 less than x less than minus 1 or x greater than 1. This indicate your value is sec theta. It is 0 to pi by 2. So your value is theta here. And what is the theta? Theta is sec inverse x, and that's my detailed answer. Clear? Next question number 7. Prove that. Example 7. Yes, students, wait. Example 7. Now students, we going to example 7 for the illustrations. Illustration 7. Prove that tan inverse x plus tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square is equal to tan inverse 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square, where condition is less than 1 by root 3. So this property, why I utilize this numericals. So can you see students? Can you remember formula for tan theta? Yes, this formula is known that students. If you here judge x is equal to what? X is equal to tan theta. So suppose x is equal to tan theta, I just assume theta belongs to my interval minus 90 to 90. So theta is equal to what? Tan inverse x. And after that I start my RHS part. Yes students, I go to RHS x. First of all, our RHS is tan inverse 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x square. Value put it. This value put it students. X is equal to tan theta. So 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. And then you know, yes, is that tan 3 theta. So what is the getting? 3 theta value. But before this writing, you necessarily show out your condition. Without condition, you never write 3 theta students. Here condition is modulus x less than 1 by root 3. It means minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3 already. Now this x, already we assume here students, change theta, I just show up and tell me anyhow converting into 3 theta. So here applying tan inverse minus 1 by root 3, same as tan inverse and same as tan inverse. Now which degree? Tan is 1 by root 3. Yes, it is 30. So here 30 degree, pi by 6. Here minus 30 degree, minus pi by 6. Now theta, I want in 3 theta. So multiplying each number by 3. Multiplying each number by 3. So minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. And now check, this is the range for tan inverse. Yes, that's why your theta is true. And putting your theta value, what is theta? Tan inverse. Students, in exam, sometimes asking only that is your 3 marks question. These are RHS and these are perfect. Okay, but I will go further because my question is a continuous. So here I just write down 1 time tan inverse x plus 1 time tan inverse x plus 1 time tan inverse x, because I want to 1 time tan inverse x and other are 2. These two are joining and property wise apply. Tan inverse x plus x upon 1 minus x into x. This is a theorem. So tan inverse x, it is 2x by 1 minus x square. And that's my LHS. Students, it's very easy. But you remember this formula, and easy. Yes, continue. Example 7 is done. Example 8. It is 1 mark question only. 8th one. Find the value of sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x greater than or equal to 1. It's very simple question. And you know that students, these are property. Yes, it is pi by 2. So my answer is a cos pi by 2. And what is cos 90? 0. Finished. Now I go to exercise 2.2. First one. Prove that 3 sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube, and condition given minus half to plus half. Yes students, this is an IMP question and exam level questions. Question number first in 2.2. Now students, here I am taking 3 to 4 numerical or big today. And all are the big numerical for 3 marks level. So properly concentrate here. Okay. Can you remember? These are the, if you put in x is equal to sin theta, then yes, it is sin theta. So suppose x is equal to sin theta assumption. So what is theta? Sin inverse x, and where theta belongs to my range minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Yes students, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Now the value of light in your RHS. Students, see what is your RHS? Our RHS is sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. Well, you put it 3 sin theta minus 4 sin theta, and that I know it is sin theta. Statement number 1. You cannot write 3 theta direct, students. Before condition checking, now given condition, this condition minus half to half in close bracket. Students, I misapply. belongs to minus half to half, and that value is minus half to close bracket half. Now this x already you assume sin theta. Yes, now students, this sin theta converted till upwards I here 3 theta. So one time write sin inverse, again write sin inverse, and here also write sin inverse. Say when sin is half, 30 degree minus pi by 6. Here also pi by 6 multiplying by 3. So here 3 multiplying. Similarly here 3 multiplying. To each term we are getting minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Check the success here. And this full condition, after that showing, you going here equation. So form 1. What is your one? Sin inverse sin 3 theta. I just tell you 3 theta. If you range not belong, then you cannot write 3 theta. Sometimes students range also not belonging. Now we are belonging because 3 theta is belong to my interval of the range of sin inverse minus 92 by 80. So we are done. Here theta is you already assumed sin inverse x. And that's my final answer done. LHS. Okay. So LHS equal to RHS. Happily done here. Same question. Second one. Continue with question 2. 3 times cos inverse x is a cos inverse 4x cubed minus 3x. X belongs to just condition given half to 1. Yes students, this numeric is also IMP for 3 marks question. Look at that. Here also you just remember x suggestion cos theta is converting by 2 cos 3 theta finally. That's why I start my sum. Suppose x is equal to cos theta. What is theta? Cos inverse x, where theta belongs to my interval 0 to pi. That's why RHS start cos inverse 4x cubed minus 3x. If you put it the values, surely it is utilize our formula cos 3 theta. It means cos inverse 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Sure done. It is cos 3 theta, and here you stop and check out your 3 theta angle belong the range of cos inverse after using these conditions. Yes, then you create the last answer. So I go to now condition. What is the condition? Half less than x less than 1 or equal to, that are given. But now students, here I explain sign wise. Inequality not change. Here I explain cos wise. Inequality change because cos is decreasing function. Sorry, my mistake. First of all, put in the x value. What is your x value? Cos theta. Now put in cos inverse half. Inequality change. Cos inverse putting, and here also cos inverse putting. Inequality change because and because only one reason in the range 0 to pi, first to second quadrant, cos function is decreasing function, and whenever decreasing, definitely inequality is changed students. Now tell me when cos is half. Yes, cos half is a how many? 60 degree. Here 1 0 degree. So 0 to pi by 3. Inequality rearrange. Multiply by 3 because I want 3. So 0 to pi. And that's interval I utilize in your final solution. So 1? What is your 1? Cos inverse cos 3 theta. I just show out it is 3 theta. Because equation 1 and 3 theta belongs to the range. Here 3 theta students. 0 to theta to pi is multiplied by 3. So we declare 3 theta belongs to my range 0 to pi. That's why theta just putting. And that's your LHS. Finally done here students. Sometimes in exam you condition differently. Then different answer created. Is already numerical coming in the next chapter. Chapter number 5. The derivative. Same numerical. Okay. Now continue question number 3. But very easy. Prove that tan inverse 2 by 11, tan inverse 7 by 24, which is tan inverse half. Very easy. Look at that. Here you are taking one of the x, and here taking one of the y. So x is equal to 2 by 11, y is 7 by 24. So how much x into y? Yes, it is cancelled. 7 by 132. It is less than 1. So my formula is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to x plus y by 1 minus xy, where necessary xy less than 1. I just operate students. Now start our left hand side LHS and property utilize. It's very simple. Now what is the LHS? Tan inverse 2 by 11 plus tan inverse 7 by 24. Value apply. So does this formula utilize? X plus y by 1 minus xy. So x is 2 by 11 plus 7 by 24. Same is 2 by 11 and 7 by 24. Students, you are not making the cancel. Only take the LCM. Here LCM 24 into 11 and here taking 24 into 11. It is 264. And here 24 into 42. It is a 48. 11 into 7, 77 by 264. Same is here 264 minus 14 by 264, and students, this 264 are cutting with each other one by one. You only getting tan inverse. How much? Yes, it is 48 plus 77. It is addition. If you taking sure, I think 125. Yes, 125 and here 250. 264 minus 14. So surely you done your answer tan inverse half, and that's my RHS. Check out, your RHS is done here. Tan inverse half. Yes, it's done and happily finished. But this necessary condition students apply xy less than 1. Then the application is done. Now continue question number 4. The fourth sum is also IMP for 2 marks. 2 times tan inverse plus 1 by 7 tan inverse that, and 31 by 17. Students, you look at that, these 2 times I just making in the 2 ways, and I just start. 1 time tan inverse half, again 1 time tan inverse half, and tan inverse 1 by 7 is as it is. Now students, you calculate either these two, either this two, as you like. Any one you to calculate. I calculate this two. First two, either last two also do. So just keep checking 2 x into y, half into half, it is 1/4. less than 1. So definitely, what is your property? Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to x plus y by 1 minus xy. And this property I apply here in the first two cases, half plus half, 1 minus half into half. And that much is as it is, 1 by 7 this will. Okay. Now, this 2 and 2 total 4, and we are also taking 4 LCM. So students, I am just taking out 4 LCM, 2 plus 2 by 4, and here 4 minus 1 by 4. Other data as it is. So finally, what you get? Yes, these two values are cancelled for 4 and 4. Other are 2 plus 2, 4 by 3, and here tan inverse 1 by 7. Now look at that, these two properties again utilized in this solution, students. So one more time, I just show out my condition level. So what is your x again and y? Which is 4 by 3 into 1 by 7. So 4 by 21, which is less than 1. So tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, which is x plus y by 1 minus xy. Again I apply in between that two data. Yes, students. So finally done, tan inverse 4 by 3 plus 1 by 7, 1 minus 4 by 3 by 1 by 7. Check out, what's your LCM? Yes, students, what is your LCM? 7 and 4, 3, total 21. So here 7 4s are 28, 3 1s are 3 by 21. Same here, 21 minus 4 by 21. 20 and 21 gone, and your sum is done, 31 by 70. So your tan inverse total 31 by 17. That's your RHS. Yes, happily done. In your question number 4, students, year over. Yes, students, here our part 3 is over. Actually, our mobile data and YouTube data is not supported to more than 2 GB. That's why I create two small video for you, and easily download and easily understanding that type video. So students, here our part 3 is done, and part 3 stop here, and further study I explain in the part 4. Okay, thank you very much, and thank you for seeing this video. Okay, I really miss you, students. Thank you.